Let's go.
Hi, my name's Jamie. I'm an elite trainer with V-Shred, and I have a couple simple stretches to help you with your phone neck. I see a ton of people walking around, head down to the ground on their phone just all day long. There are also a lot of people these days who have computer jobs and they're at their desk walking around like they're typing like this. So I have a couple stretches that will help you with your thoracic spine, your upper back. The stretches are called You Will Love This because they're in the shape of a Y and a W, an L, and a T. And what we're focusing on is the upper back region right here. So the one form break that you want to make sure that you don't do is extend your neck out here. You want to keep your abs tucked in, your back straight, and your neck straight when you do each of the exercises. So the first stretch is you're going to put your hands up straight and you're going to pull your shoulder blades back. From the side view, it's pulling your shoulder blades back. Again, you're pulling your shoulder blades back. You're not extending your neck. You're keeping your neck straight and just pull your shoulder blades back. Hold for 3 seconds and relax. Pull back again and relax. Last time, hold for 3, 2, 1, relax. The next exercise is the same movement, but instead of going for a Y, we're going for a W, so a little bit lower. Again, we're pulling our shoulder blades back, holding for 3, 2, 1, relaxing. Again, 3, 2, 1, and relaxing from the side. 3, 2, 1, relax. And then the last round is L's. Okay, same movement, hold back, 2, 1, release. Again, from the side, 3, 2, 1, release. Keep your neck straight and in alignment with your back. 3, 2, 1, release. And then the last movement is the T. Same thing, this one's gonna go back way farther. 3, 2, 1, release from the side. 3, 2, 1, release. Keep your form nice and straight, no sticking out the neck. 3, 2, 1, release. Shake it out. Do that as many times as you want during the day, and it's gonna help straighten your posture, keep your neck, and get rid of your phone neck. All right, have a good day.